This is the season where I stop living up to other people's expectations. In this season, I'm the one that disappoints you. In this season, I'm the one that I don't have the capacity to hold everything up. In this season, I'm not the one you call when you need help. In this season, I'm not the one who's available. In this season, I'm going to have to be honest about my capacity. In this season, I'm honest about who I am, what I need in order to be sustained, in order to feel loved. In this season, I release the outcome. I always say I'm writing a new chapter of my life. And I'm excited about this new chapter. I disown the labels that even not only people call me, but I've been living up to. The strong one, the GOAT, the one that gets it done. We do ourselves a disservice when we allow others to think that we have that strength. A part of rebuilding my life means I rebuild who I am. And I cannot rebuild a whole new life that I done fought and strained for to get here and repeat the same cycles that created the last life.